Hey, howdy, and hello from all of us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. We just want to welcome you to another edition of Friday Fabric Finds. This is for the week of March 27th, 2026. My name is Clint. I am a kit and bundle manager.
And I'm Justin. I'm a photographer and product adder.
And in this series, we like to go through the Friday newsletter and show you the fabrics in person out there in the warehouse. So without any further ado, let's get started.
This one's a fun one. This is called the Plaid One from Windham. This is featuring the hashtag quilt kits, 108-inch pallet quilt backings, and the assorted yardage. This is a vibrant collection of imaginative and playful plaid prints in bold colors, designed to mix effortlessly, encouraging you to cut them up and experiment with color, contrast, and scale. So make sure to check out the Plaid One from Windham.
Next up today is Independence from Riley Blake. For this one, we've got the Fly the Flag quilt kits, American Independence boxed quilt kits, needle minders, as well as assorted yardage. With this collection, you've got patterns such as florals, flags, drums, stars, and the 13 colonies in colors of red, cream, blue, and gold. If you're feeling patriotic, celebrate America's 250th anniversary with Independence.
If you're a fan of farms, barns, and the country in general, this one's a perfect one for you. This is Farmhouse Fixer Upper from Studio E. This is featuring the Decorators Bundle. This is an interesting one because it's one 1-yard piece and 5 half-yard pieces. And we also have the assorted yardage. This includes patterns of a cheetah print, weather vanes, windmills, florals, and scattered wildflowers in colors of blue, cream, and a little gold. So make sure to move on over to your sewing machine to create excellent projects with Farmhouse Fixer Upper.
You put a cow reference and a chicken reference in something with a man who can and also coming at you now, we've got Berry and Sage from Riley Blake. This is a collection from Lori Holt. With this collection, we've got our 108-inch wide backings, cute and fun notions, the Strawberry Crush Sew-Along boxed quilt kits. And by the way, that Strawberry Crush Sew-Along boxed quilt kit is absolutely adorable. I love the little box it comes in. Fat quarter bundles, as well as assorted yardage. This collection has patterns of florals and plaids in colors of pink, sage, and cream. So if you like this collection as much as I do, make something berry sweet with Berry and Sage.
We talked about these last week, but we're going to talk about them again because we have a lot of them out there. This is the A Little Taste of the Rainbow Kona Cotton Scrap Bundles. Each bundle includes 3 pounds of Robert Kaufman Kona Cotton solid scraps. It includes scrap sizes of anywhere from 3 inches to sometimes even 10 inches. This adds up to about 8 yards of total fabric. Every bundle is different, which is half of the fun. And make sure to watch our social media series, Stacking Kona Cotton Solids into Scrap Bundles until we run out of fabric. We just posted episode 2. That series is going to take us a while. And also, we asked in that video, leave a comment if there are any color combinations you might want, any color palettes, or any themes you might want. We already have a whole bunch of really good answers, and we're gonna go stack up some of those bundles personalized to what you guys have requested. So if you guys have any requests, hop on over to that video. Link will be down in the description. Make sure to type out a comment. Let us know what kind of bundle you want, what kind of palette you want, and we'll make it. So make sure to treat yourself to these A Little Taste of the Rainbow Kona Cotton Scrap Bundles.
All right, so the next thing we want to talk about is something a little bit unique. Are you stuck on what to make next? Well, we've got something for you. We've got quilt builder card decks that take guesswork out of the planning. Mix match blocks you can shuffle, arrange, and turn into something completely your own. It's like a quilt pattern, but way more fun. You can create dynamic quilts with these quilt builder card decks.
All right, and of course, we've got the comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week to read on this week. And we have 3 comments we're gonna read today. The first one is from Wayna Polk 9692. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Howdy guys, hope all of you at FWFS are well. Happy spring. Just wanted to say thank you so much for leaving a comment. Thank you so much for wishing us well, and happy spring to you too. Next comment is of course from Barbara H2281. She says, another good Friday video. The table runner, fabulous. And I love the scrap bundles. They are a great idea for small projects. Have a great weekend and see you next Friday. Barbara, as always, Thank you so much for leaving a comment and always checking out our video. I agree with you, that table runner is fabulous. I also love the scrap bundles. If I was a sewer, I would definitely take advantage of those. And also, Barbara, I don't know if you listened to earlier in this video when I said this, in part 2 of the social media video, I asked you guys, hey, leave a comment down below if you want a color palette or color combo or a certain theme for a scrap bundle. If you have one in mind that you want, leave it down below and we'll make it. And Barbara, I also hope you have a great weekend yourself, and we'll see you next Friday.
All right, and the final comment we want to mention this week is from Del Marie Snodgrass 5038, who says red, green, and blue. Oops, I had to go back and see if green was in the bunch, LOL. Yeah, it was red, cream, and blue, but I know my voice well enough that on playback I thought I said green as well. I had to do a double take on that one. It's something that could have been solved. We had let the tape roll just a few seconds after. Justin has a habit of liking to cut me off right before I explain something that I just said that might sound a little bit different or crazy.
I incriminate him sometimes by accident.
And yeah, this is the second time in 2 weeks. In classic colors of red, cream, and blue.
Well, it should be white, but cream.
We have to be honest.
Yeah.
We'll have to see how far it goes.
And thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to ring that little bell so you get notified every single time we upload. Make sure to leave a comment down below and make sure to follow us on social media. Links are down in the description. We are posting almost daily extra social media vertical content that you can just go watch. It's extra content for you. With all that being said, we'll see you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for watching.
We like to go through the Friday newsletter and show you the fabrics in person out there in the warehouse. So without any further ado, let's get started.
This one's a fun one. This is called the Plaid One from Windham. This is featuring the hashtag quilt kits, 108-inch pallet quilt backings, and the assorted yardage. This is a vibrant collection of a magic